back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work-from-home job lead. This one is exciting to be sharing because they are paying only $15 an hour, which I know to some is low, but that is because they require absolutely no experience. They will fully train you. This is for my United States folks only, but this job is perfect to get your foot in the door and get that experience, and then you have this job to put on your resume for other jobs that do require experience. So the company Conduent, they are known for hiring people that do not need any experience. They are looking for a transaction processing associate. Now again, this is fully remote, a work from home, paying $15 an hour, but they are looking for someone to fulfill the adjudication lifecycle for health insurance claims through either data entry of information or adjudication and resolution. So they are looking for someone to capture and validate more complex data, pre-adjudicate documents and correct any data, research and examine issues, ensuring information is available for the next steps, conduct extra searches and extract accurate data and input the same, complete assignments using multiple source documents to verify data. You'll also follow up on pending research documents, return electronic data forms for the customer for additional information, and perform any other duties as assigned. They are looking for someone who is at least 18 years or older with a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is required. Someone who has knowledge of computers and can set up your computer at home. Someone who can type at least 35 words per minute. Someone who can pass a background check and be open to coaching and training. Speaking of training, they do offer on-the-job virtual paid training scheduled Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But above that, they are just looking for someone who's a self-starter and who has great attention to detail. So no experience is actually required. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because even if I'm not responding, I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.